A head-on collision between a speeding Bolero car and a scooty on National Highway 8 at Nailahabari in Dhalai district left 2 people critically injured on Saturday. The local police have seized both vehicles and launched an investigation into the cause of the crash, while the driver of the Bolero managed to flee the spot. Fire and emergency services personnel rushed to the spot and evacuated both unidentified victims to the Dhalai district hospital, where the conditions remain critical.
Accident nung khani jeng Khorang khanawi public ro phaya goi nai pheka hai nai phaimani kaisa Max gari bai scooty nanglaiman poreo jengoro nuk pheka je scooty chaloknai bo khub injure kha ngai gari ni passenger poroksa bo khub sak dukhu mangkha ke jeng phaimani poreno fire service no call khai brono hospital ri roka broktawo bo condition kong to saimali akentu motamoti poroksa khub injure kha bonsa
Pure report, Chini Khorang.